The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Dallas County and north central Texas until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Irving, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and $half-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Dallas Love Field around 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Farmers Branch, University Park, Addison and Highland Park around 5:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Dallas and Richardson around 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include White Rock Lake. This includes Interstate 35E between mile markers 429 and 438. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for East Central Tarrant County. At 4:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Richmond Hills, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Bedford around 4:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Euless and DFW Intel Airport around 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Arlington and Grand Prairie around 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter now. Get to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows.